we might be getting a new vehicle. What do you think?
It feels good.
Daddy,
It's got a good pickup.
Dad.
Car shopping. That's a cool looking car, huh?
It's good. Might be excited.
What you guys doing, Rick? Waiting for Daddy? Megan, what are you doing?
On our way to get a new vehicle.
Yeah, we're almost
Good for us.
there.
Yeah. Are you having a little bittersweet moment?
Gonna miss
Driving.
old Bessie.
Yeah, we passed her.
10 years she's done as well.
So I'm having the bittersweet feeling too because this Durango was mine. Jason had drove a Neon, and then when the Neon went kaput, we traded that in and got my minivan, and then Jason started driving the Durango. But originally the Durango was my mommy mobile, and we got this Durango when Ryan, right there, that right guy right there, who is about to turn 10, we got this when he was a baby. And we had so many memories of traveling in it. And one time I remember my dad driving it and rushing Jason to the hospital because we were rushing Ryan in an ambulance because he was having a febrile seizure. And do you remember my dad driving just like really fast? Like,
Yeah, he was hitting the gas as hard as he could and running red lights.
yeah. So sentimental things like that, like, you know, my dad drove this car, and now my dad is deceased and he passed away in 2006. So it's things like that that are starting to make me tear up, you know, because I had that my dad had drove this car. But we're moving on to a better vehicle, something more of what Jason wants. So we're excited, we're on our way.
Hopefully the next time you see us, we're in
our new one. Yeah, this is day number 2. We went yesterday and found it, test drove it, started the process, but because it was late in the evening on Friday, I think they were just ready to go home. They couldn't finish up the deal, and they really weren't even like working with us that much. And then Jason just kind of laid it all out and said, listen, I want it for this, I want this for my trade-in, I'll give you this much for cash down, and I want this interest rate, and you know, I'm looking for a payment like this. And I was shocked. Today we got a phone call at like 11 o'clock saying, hey,
They got as close as they
we
possibly
got,
could.
I mean, they did a pretty good job. They got us really good to where we wanted, and Jason's like, all right, tell us what time to come pick it up. So here we are, like 3 hours later, on our way to go pick it up. Yay, I'm so excited. It's got teeth.
I want to take a picture.
We come back the next day and look, the TV, the couch, everything is gone.
Yeah.
Huh. Is it all gone?
And that table.
Yeah, there was a table there too, you're right. Bye, Missy. Say goodbye, Bessie? Woohoo! You're driving your new truck! Woohoo! I like it.
I'm actually sliding back and forth. Wait, this is fun? Yeah! Go really fast! Like go to 6. This is sand. Kind of a hug. This is sand. It is kind of a hug.
All right, get ready.
Do you like Daddy's new truck?
Yeah!
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
3,
2,
2.
1, 0. Let's go!